Should you have your living trust prepared by a financial planner? The short answer is no. Let me give you a couple reasons why. The first reason is because they're not an attorney. Preparing a living trust and an estate plan is a legal process, and it's something that you should have done by an expert, an attorney who does this day in and day out. A financial planner, they might be very good at what they do, investing your money, but they're not lawyers and they're not even allowed to give legal advice. All they can do is a generic form for you, help you fill in the blanks, and then say you have a trust. But that's not going to be the best thing for your family. Those generic forms are for boilerplate families, and I've actually never met a boilerplate family before. So that's one reason not to do one with the financial planner. Another reason is because financial planners can't help you fully fund the trust with your real estate and all your other assets. And when you don't fund the trust is going to have to go through probate. And so I commonly see that in trusts done by financial planners, because they're not funded, the trust would have to go through probate. And that's going to cost the family tens of thousands of dollars and years of delay. So my recommendation, always work with an attorney when it comes to estate planning and allow the financial planners to do what they do.